It is advisable to maintain regular backups of your accounting data, and Spire can set a regular schedule to occur automatically. Either create data snapshots or larger data archives that you can then restore when moving to a new server or replacing your live data. For each of your company databases, you can specify how often data snapshots are formed from Spire Server Administration and the company's list. Choose a company and then open the database settings for snapshot options. The interval can be set with either hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly frequencies for automatic backups, or you could choose blank if you plan to do this manually. A date is displayed to indicate the date and time when the next automatic snapshot will occur, and this is editable in case you want to set a different value. A maximum number of snapshots can be set to keep, so that you are not filling up file storage unnecessarily, with the oldest snapshot being replaced by the most current. If you need to make a snapshot now and don't want to wait for the next automatic backup, you can select one or more companies and then use the Snapshot toolbar button to create the files immediately. Whether the files are created manually or automatically, they can be seen from the Snapshot section. You may need to click the refresh button for any new snapshots just created. This list can be sorted in different ways, perhaps with the most recent at the top, or maybe by company. The file name is an active link if you want to retrieve that snapshot to your local download folder. When you need to restore a company data snapshot, you can do so in two different ways. One way is to bring in an externally stored backup file from the company list and the Restore Company toolbar button. The single snapshot file to restore can either be selected by clicking in the box and browsing for it, or by dragging the file and dropping it into the box. Once selected, you must provide a unique database name for internal identification, and optionally set a snapshot backup schedule. When you click the Restore button, the new company will be added to the list. You may need to click the Refresh button in order to see it listed. You can alternatively restore data from the snapshot list by highlighting the desired file and then clicking the Restore Snapshot toolbar button. A similar screen will appear for you to enter a unique database name and snapshot schedule, with the file selected listed above. If the purpose of restoring data is to replace your live data, perhaps due to an entry mistake or corruption, you first need to delete the existing database if you plan to reuse the company database name. You cannot restore and replace in one step. Note that if you delete a company database, a new snapshot with the word delete in the file name will be created as protection. If you're planning a move to a new server, rather than just taking a snapshot copy of the data, you likely want to use the archive process to get more than just company data. Archives can also include user accounts, document and image media, and customized reports. On the Export tab, you can select one or more or all companies to archive together into a single file. Click the Create Archive button to immediately save the file. Archives can only be created in this process, not through an automatic procedure, due to the additional size of archive files. To restore an archive file, open the Import tab. You can choose the file similarly to snapshots by locating the archive file from browsing for it or dragging and dropping it here. You then upload the file to the server, perhaps restoring the file immediately afterwards with typical database creation steps. Or if the archive file is stored in the standard location, you can select it and click the Restore Archive button to proceed. For both snapshot and archive files, it is strongly advised to download current copies and save them externally and securely, in the case that the standard save location becomes inaccessible or damaged. If you would like more information about Spire Accounting, access the link in the description below to our homepage. Read the online manual help for additional assistance. Watch more videos from this playlist, and subscribe to the Spire YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.